Hi friends, welcome to SK Food Recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to make a sponge cake recipe by using rava. So come on, let's see how to make in a simple way. Before entering into our video, if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe it and also click the bell icon here. Into a mixie jar, I am going to add 2 cups of rava. Now I am going to finely blend this with the mixie. I have finely blended this. We have to blend it in this consistency. Into a bowl I am going to add half cup of strong curd. Let's add it. Now let's add 3/4 cup of sugar powder. If you eat sugar more, then you can add 1 cup. Now let's add half cup of oil into it. If you don't want to add oil, then you can add butter also. Now let's mix in the wire whisk. Now we have mixed well. In this stage I am going to add blended rava into it. Now let's whisk this. Now I have whisked well. Now it have to observe for 15 minutes. For that I am closing with the lid. Now 15 minutes is over. Let's see how is it. It should be in this consistency. Now let's add 1 cup of milk into it. After adding this I am going to whisk it for 1 minute. Now I have mixed well. In this stage, into a bowl I am going to add 2 tablespoons of tutti frutti. Followed by that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of maida powder. Now let's mix well. Purpose of adding maida powder, then only tutti frutti in the cake will not go in, so that I am adding maida powder. Now after mixing it, let's add a cake batter. Now let's add 1 spoon of baking powder. Followed by this half spoon of baking soda. And let's add 1 spoon of vanilla essence. If you don't like vanilla essence, then you can add crushed cardamom powder. Now let's mix for few seconds. Now our cake batter gets ready. I have mixed well. Now I have taken cake tin. In that I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it all around that. We have to mix well. Now I have applied the oil all around the cake tin. Followed by that I am going to add 1 spoon of maida powder into the cake tin. Instead of butter paper we are applying maida powder. Now let's spread all around the cake tin. Now I have spread it well. In this stage I am going to add cake batter into cake tin. Now after adding cake batter into cake tin, I am going to tap this for 2 times. Now I am going to add finely chopped badam, pista and cashew nuts into it. This is completely option. It is up to your choice. Now I have added. After adding, I am going to preheat the pan for 50 minutes. For that, I am placing 1 wire stand into the pan. And let's close with the lid. Leave this for 50 minutes. Now 50 minutes is over. Into a pan, let's place the cake tin. We have to place this carefully. Let's close with the lid and leave this for 35 to 40 minutes. Keep your stove on light flame. Now 40 minutes is over. Let's see how our cake is. For checking the cake whether it is cooked or not, for that I am going to check with the knife or toothpick. like this. See, cake doesn't paste it in the knife. So our cake has cooked well. Now let's keep this for 10 minutes to warm. Then let's see. Now cake has warmed for 10 minutes. Now let's do it like this with the knife. Now let's transfer the cake into one wooden board. See, it doesn't paste in the cake tin. Now let's cut the cake and see how it is. See how soft it is. If you tell cake is made with rava, no one will trust it. See how the cake looks. It is very softy too, and also it is very tasty to eat, friends. So don't forget to tell your comment, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel if it is useful for you. Let's see you in another good video. Thank you. Bye bye.